4th of July, it's rough. It's rough.
This is the worst time of year for me.
It brings everything back. Even though it's a celebration, people are having fun, but it's not fun for me.
The little pops of the smaller firecrackers.
The sound, the boom.
And I started looking around, looking for an exit.
Those are artillery rounds. Those are bombs.
Some of the explosions really triggers, the louder it is.
Oh, it just puts me back there.
We still hear it. It's still there. It never ends.
It stays with you.
If you was to take away the sound and the boom, and I just get to view the beautiful fireworks, that'd be magnificent. Because I love the colors. It's beautiful, but I just can't take the booming. Yeah, that'd be great. Really great.